Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, November 7th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why I stack silver every month and why you should too. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's a true passion of mine to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, why do I stack silver every single month? Well, these are in no particular order, but reason number one is it's a hedge against inflation, okay? So silver keeps its value over time, and that's super important to me. The second reason is it's easy to buy and trade, right? So it's super simple, and Quicksilver, the company that I'm with, makes it really easy to buy, and they'll even buy back your silver if you need the cash for it. All right, we have somebody in our team who a couple weeks ago they had something come up unexpectedly, and that wasn't in their budget. So they took a couple of their coins down to their local coin shop and traded them in for cash, so that they could go and do what they needed to do. So it's super, easy to buy. It's super easy to sell. You can trade, whatever, but you're always going to get your money back, basically. And with Quicksilver, we have the auto wealth delivery, so you can set up an auto wealth shipment sent to your door every single month on autopilot. So you don't even have to worry about it. You just set it and forget it, and then every month you're having silver sent to your doorstep. All right, that's what I do. The third thing, it's affordable, and it's affordable wealth building. At Quicksilver, we have something for everybody's budget. We have fractional silver that starts as little as $10 all the way up to, 1 ounce and 5 ounce coins sometimes. So there's really something for everybody and something for everybody's budget. The fourth thing is it's a tangible asset. Okay, so it's unlike digital and paper currency, silver is physical. Something you can actually hold in your hand. You can store it in your safe. You can't ruin silver, right? You can melt it, but you can't ruin it. But it's physical. It's a tangible asset, and something that's going to continue to go up in value over time because we have a finite supply of it, and the demand for it is just increasing every single day. It's used in solar panels. It's used in electric vehicles. It's used in the medical industry. It's used in water purification systems. It's used in lots of applications, okay? So the demand for it continues to go up, the supply continues to decrease, and that causes the increase in price or the value of it. So in my opinion, you're never going to lose value. You're never going to lose money by trading in your fiat currency for something like silver. Stacking silver, it helps me build generational wealth and long-term wealth building habits, right? When you start doing this, it just becomes part of your normal routine, So I have the auto wealth shipment set up, and then when I earn commissions from Quicksilver, I take those commissions and I reinvest it back into silver. And I'm just into that routine now. So I know that every single month I'm going to have more silver, which is great because I'm building generational wealth with it. I'm not looking to buy this now and be rich next year. I'm looking long term. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years down the road, or even when my future grandkids are here, they can have it. Building generational wealth with something that has real value and something that holds its value. Super important to me. That's why I do these videos. I'm building generational wealth. That's why I, stuff envelopes and go to the mailbox every day, and why I create content on Facebook and YouTube and build my empire. I'm building a Mailbox Money Empire, and silver is real mailbox money. And the last thing, significant growth over time. Even tiny monthly buys add up, right? So if you can only afford to, buy a 10th ounce of silver every month right now, start doing it. And over time, it stacks up really quickly. And it's just something that I think, you can't go wrong with stacking silver. So those are the reasons why I stack silver and why you should too. And if you want more information about Quicksilver, you can visit freesilverbar.com. I'll leave a link down below this video. You can go check out the opportunity and what the business is all about, and they'll even send you a free silver bar just for taking a look. You just pay a nominal $2.74 shipping fee, and it can help you start your silver stacking journey. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this with somebody you know who might be interested. It might not be for you, but you might know somebody who is looking for ways to build generational wealth. So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.